Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily start any conversation in Google Groups. Let's begin. Once you are inside Groups, I want you to click over here on the left panel, My Groups. Then simply choose the group you would like to work on, right? Now, from this point, some users will actually get lost or don't know what to look for. Just, just go ahead, simply click over here, start a conversation. This will pop up a new window or a chat box. You can now include your subject. You can also attach your any files, photos, and once you have typed in your message, for example, hi, I'm a new member of this group. I would love to know everyone and let's have fun. So basically, that's it. You can also change your background color, text color, size, etc. Basically, you don't have to do those. But once you have successfully typed in your message, don't forget to post your message or hit enter. Then you are done. And that's it. Very simple and straightforward. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.